Okay, so we have the Cummins 250 kilowatt units and 150 kilowatt and 50 kilowatt units, and these ones are all getting converted to be hydrogen engines. So this one here has a original Cummins books, everything's brand new, not used, never turned on. And then we change the heads to rotary valve, or we change the fueling system over to hydrogen. Quality is Cummins quality, it's high quality. Okay. Alright, these are all ready and being made now. Okay, from Secure Supplies. It's got the at the moment it's got the tank underneath. And we can take that off and put the stacked tanks under. And then the soundproofing is pretty good too. And then we're adding all the Siemens controllers in. So we're changing to PLC and then putting the LAN and Wi-Fi on as well. And we can put GPS. Can?
GPS, yeah, can.
Can. We can add the GPS unit.
Yes.
Merch updates are ready. If you want to look good in the H2 hot rodding scene, and if you would like to pick up some hydrogen hot rodding merch, now is your chance. Please head over to our hydrogen hot rod shop. The link is in the description. Thanks. Alternatively, you can send me an email or join me on WhatsApp chat. The details are in the description. Let me know which things you like and what sizes you want. Network of home builders is growing very fast. Whether it's a roadster, supercar, or a yacht build, or maybe even an industrial power gas energy project. I'm here to assist and guide you. Please head over to the Consult with Dan link in the description, book a discussion for 10 to 30 minutes, and I will save you decades of study.